Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jose. Today we're gonna be talking about affiliate marketing. But first, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so that you don't miss any new content. So let's get started. What is affiliate marketing? Which basically affiliate marketing is you promoting other people's product or its company product. You don't need to have your own product or your own service. No, just become an affiliate of another company, and they will give you probably a link that when people buy through that link, you will get a commission. The commission depends on the company. You may have 20% commission or 7% commission. But how can you get started in affiliate marketing? Basically, all you need to get started in affiliate marketing is your laptop and internet. That's it. But you also will need some tools. I personally use ClickFunnels and Aweber. In ClickFunnels, I'll create a capture page that will ask people to put their email and their name, and then they will immediately take that to the thank you page. I also build the thank you page with ClickFunnels, and in the thank you page it will say thank you for subscribing, and if you click the link below you'll get access to the offer, which is the offer that you're promoting. And immediately when the people put the email in the capture page, they will receive an email from Aweber, which is the autoresponder. It's very good. I personally use it and it's functioning well for me. So they will receive this first email from you, and then it will wait a day and send them another email. This is called a follow-up series. Because let's get real, if you receive 100 visitors, you may get 50 emails, something like that, and 1 to 5% may buy in the front end, but you're not gonna get a lot of sales in the front end. The most sales you're gonna make it in the follow-up series. This is very important. So after they put the emails, they will receive an ultimate email from you, and they will receive them for 7 days, 8 days. It depends on you. And then how do you get traffic to that capture page? You may see it in YouTube, people making reviews about product, etc. And then in the description below they have a link where it takes you to a page when you could buy that product, and if you buy that product you will get that person a commission. You can also do social media, for example Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and when you click there they will take you to the capture page as well. When you put the information, I will have access to the offer. But you can also do blog posts. When you do blog posts, you put the information, and at the end or the top you can have your link that will take them to a capture page, and then the thank you page, and then to offer. And that's it. That's basically affiliate marketing. Isn't that hard? You don't need to be an expert, or you don't need to do sciences to do this. Anyone can start doing it. All you need to do is a laptop and internet and start taking action right now. That's it. Well, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. And also, if you're interested in affiliate marketing and want to get more information about it, make sure to click the first link in the description below. This is it, guys. Hope you enjoy it.